Offices and office spaces have many hidden dangers lurking just beneath the surface. Often, workers in an office environment are not acquainted with many of the safety procedures and practices that are so important to having a safe and effective office. Today, we're going to look at some of the safety hazards that can be addressed through a safety kit. Because, let's face it, every moment, every second, someone somewhere is being brutalized, murdered, women, children, everywhere, killed by a man dressed as a cow rapist.
That seems awfully specific.
Well, you have to be specific with safety.
Yes.
So let's take a look today at what should be in your safety kit.
Right.
So let's take a look at phase 1, or phase uno, as we're forced to say for our Hispanic friends.
Uno.
Let's take a look at the basics. For the office, the safety kit. Now, what's in your safety kit?
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
Indeed. Well, let's take a look. There's a lot of the standard issue. Everyone in the office needs to be very acquainted with how to use these items. You'll find, of course, gauze, bandages, all manners, all sizes, some salve. You'll find this industrial-grade Russian prophylactic. It's from Chernobyl.
Can I borrow that, please?
This one's used. Also, we have this special certificate. It's fully covering all autopsy fees. Now, this does need to be signed by the recipient. Very helpful, though, just in case things don't go well. Well, Reg?
Yes.
Let's take a look at what's in your first aid kit.
Absolutely.
You want me to get that?
No, I've got it.
No,
I got
I'll
it.
get it.
No, I've got it.
Go! Oh, it's full of stars. It's full of stars.
Buzz will be joining us momentarily. Meanwhile, let's take a look at what's in. Let's take a look at what's in my safety kit. And of course, this, for me, is one of the most important aspects of a good safety kit. Good dry martini. My doctor says, take 2 of these and call me in the morning. I tell her, I'll call you now. I feel better already.
You want me to get that? No, I'll get it. No, that's fine. I got it.
Oh! 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 It's full of stars. It's full of stars.
So, let's take a look at what's in my kit.
Oh.
Oh, good.
Ow.
Where did that go?
Oh.
Sparky? Yes, Sparky. Anyway, well, yes, we have the exam glove, which are very handy. Have the exam glove. Sparky? Randy Minky?
Dibs.
No. And then,
You'll notice there are no gauzes, no adhesive bandages, no astringents of any kind. And this in the business is what we call a problem.
Or un problema.
For our Spanish-speaking friends. Muy ocho.
I could use a Band-Aid.
Bandido.
Bandito.
That went wonderfully awry.
I have the exam gloves. Oh, Sparky!
Now, what would we be examining with those?
Bend over and I'll show you later. We also have the medium size prophylactic. Always be good to be safe. No one's complained.
Are we doing it now?
No,
Oh.
later, thank you. And finally, one of the items that I think is critical for any safety kit is a bit of the first aid, if you know what I mean.
What item would that be?
Well, I'll have to show you in a moment.
You don't have it with you. Always be prepared. See? We don't have any bandages or gauze in that. And
Which
that's
is a
problem.
mistake. That's a problem. Mistake.
Mistake. However you choose to do it, or un mistako for our Hispanic friends.
Uno mistake.